kids, it's Teacher Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. This is where we will learn a math concept in 5 minutes or less. Today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about a bar graph. And as a matter of fact, I have a bar right here. Yeah, look at it, all chocolatey and stuff. That's so good. Wait a minute. I think I said a bar graph. Sorry, I got chocolate on my face. I think I said a bar graph, not a candy bar, right? Oh, okay. Let me put this up, boys and girls. Let me put it up. So tasty. So again, we're talking about a bar graph, and it uses bars to show data. Bars very similar to these. You see these? How these are bars? Not candy bars, but bars that show data. So that's what we're going to talk about today, boys and girls. Here, I have a couple of books. Now, what we want to do is we want to find out how many books do I have, and I'm going to put that on my bar graph. So we have Dr. Seuss Green Eggs and Ham, 1. We have 2, but wait, we have 1, the yearbook. So what I want to do is I want to know how many books do I have that are Green Eggs and Ham, and how many books do I have that's the yearbook. So what I'm going to do on my little bar graph, and you see I have my books here, I have pictures of my books. Now I want to determine how many do I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color those bars in, okay? So, and I can do this just by the 1 or the 2, how many bars I'm going to color in, and you tell me if I'm correct, okay? Green Eggs and Ham, I have, that's 1 book. That's 2 books. So that's my bar right there because I have 2 Green Eggs and Ham books, right? Now, I only have 1, the yearbook. So how many bars should I color? Did you say 1? I think I heard you say that too. You're so smart. So I'm just going to color in 1 bar. Now, what I can do is then we know how many books. So which book do I have more of? Can you tell by the bar graph? Yes! Did you say Green Eggs and Ham? You are absolutely right. So that's what a bar graph does. We look at the bar, the ends of the bar, and this tells us how many. We know that this one, see, is larger than, I erased a little bit, but it's got more bars than this bar, right? So that's what a bar graph is all about. Now, I want you to make a bar graph at home. Will you do that for me? And it's really, really simple. You see that all we have are lines, just like here. We have lines, but on this one, which is the coolest, because you can do this, we have numbers starting from 0 all the way up to 9. Now, you can do this with books like we did. You can go get toys. You can get your pencils or whatever, but you can make a bar graph on just a little piece of paper. Yeah, and you see how we put the numbers there? See, 1, 2, 3, that one goes all the way up to 10. Now, I can say, how many Cookie Monsters do I have? How many do you see? All together. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 Cookie Monsters. Okay, so there's my Cookie Monsters. Big Bird, what are you doing? Okay, so Cookie Monsters, I have 4, right? So I'm going to make my bar, not a candy bar. Don't cheat, okay? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to go up to this line. And I'm going to make, Big Bird fell down. I'm going to make my own bar. And again, just like I did on the other one. Now I'm going to color it in. Okay. All right. Let's put 2 of those over here. There they go. Up. So we have 4. Now, what about big birds? How many do we have? Can you count with me? 1, 2. We only have 2 big birds. And I just like using different colors. So let's use a different color for him, okay? All right. We only have 2. So 0, 1, 2. So this is the line for big bird. All right, and I'm going to make my bar and I'm going to color it in. And you can do this at home just with a regular piece of paper. You can use candy if you want. Just don't use candy as the bars, okay? All right. Now, when you do this, I want you to take some pictures and I want you to send them to me and email me and say, oh my God, that was so much fun. And tell me what kind of things you used, okay? And you can send that to WKNO Teacher Teacher at gmail.com. It comes to me. I'd love to see what you're doing. Now, I also want you to go to our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org. There's so much more information about bar graphs or any kind of graph, or candy bars too. Yes, there is. So do that for me, okay? And when you do that, I just want to be able to just say that you guys are the smartest people in the whole wide world, okay? I want you to know that. So thank you for being here with us today. And thank you, International Paper Foundation, for making our Math Minutes happen. So until next time, Teacher Teacher says, bye-bye. I'm going back to eating my bars, not my graph bars. Bye.